Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're checking out the HP Pavilion Tower Gaming Desktop, a budget-friendly yet powerful PC designed for multitasking, gaming, and productivity. But is it the right choice for gamers and professionals? Let's find out. Before diving in, make sure to check the link below for the best price available today. Rocket, performance and processing power. The Intel Core i7-11700F is an 8-core, 16-thread processor, making it a solid choice for gaming, streaming, and content creation. With turbo speeds up to 4.9 GHz, you can expect snappy performance in everyday tasks, video editing, and even software development. Gaming performance, GT 610 GPU. Now, here's the key point: this system comes with a GeForce GT 610 2GB GPU, which is an entry-level graphics card. While it's great for basic tasks, media playback, and older games, it's not ideal for modern AAA gaming. If gaming is your main focus, upgrading the GPU will take this desktop to another level. High voltage sign, memory and storage, no compromises. With 32GB DDR4 RAM, this PC handles heavy multitasking, video editing, and high-performance workloads like a champ. The 1TB pci-e SSD ensures lightning-fast boot times, quick software loads, and ample storage for all your files, games, and projects. Computer, design and connectivity. The HP Pavilion Tower has a sleek and professional design, making it a great fit for both home and office setups. Plus, with Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth, USB Type-C, and multiple USB ports, you get high-speed internet, seamless connectivity, and easy device pairing. White check mark. Final verdict: is it worth it? If you need a powerful desktop for work, content creation, and general use, the HP Pavilion Tower with an i7-11700F, 32GB RAM, and a 1TB SSD is a fantastic choice. However, if gaming is your priority, consider upgrading the GPU to fully unlock its potential. Don't miss out. Click the link below to grab the best deal today. Rocket.